Saturday morning. We just got the kitchen cleaned up from breakfast. It's Jonah's birthday and he requested pancakes this morning. This is all that's left of the pancakes. So we got those made, got the kitchen cleaned up. Now we're gonna make his birthday cake. He wants a peanut butter cake, the kind that the cake is peanut butter and the frosting is peanut butter. I have lots of different peanut butter cake recipes. We have the yellow cake with the old-fashioned peanut butter frosting. That's Titus's favorite peanut butter cake. Then I have the creamy, dreamy peanut butter cake. That's Jacob's favorite. And then we have this one. This is the one that Jonah wants. It's also called an old-fashioned peanut butter cake, but the frosting is not the same as the old-fashioned frosting that we put on the yellow cake. I make a lot of old-fashioned things. Peanut butter is a favorite around here. A lot of the kids actually pick peanut butter. I think Tyler was the one that year that picked the peanut butter cake that it was chocolate cake with peanut butter frosting, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And we put Reese's little mini cups on it to decorate it. That was a good one. So I've got the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna spray our cake pan. I've got the Baker's Joy spray here. I'm having so much joy while I bake this cake. Now this cake is not diet food. It's high test, old fashioned. Go sit at grandma's table. She's gonna give you some peanut butter cake, and you're gonna feel happy. We have to do a little bit of this on the stovetop for the cake too, so let me go ahead and get that going. We melt 1 stick of butter. I'll get that started real quick.
Mama, where's the maple syrup box?
Let's see. Over here, come over here to the table, I'll help you. We already gave Jonah his present. Me and Titus got him a book set that he'd been wanting. It was a 10-book set, and he didn't think that he was gonna get it because he looked on Walmart and he was like, oh, it won't be here in time. It was like October something before it would be here. But I looked on Amazon and it could get here faster from Amazon. So he was surprised that they got here, and we gave him some birthday money. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this butter into a few pieces. That way it'll melt quicker. We'll go ahead and get this part mixed up. That way it can be cooling down while we mix the dry ingredients. He picked to go out to eat for supper tonight, so I'm happy about that. That'll be fun. Okay, so we got the butter melted. I'm gonna put in a cup of water, half a cup of peanut butter, and you need half a cup of oil, but I don't have any oil, so I'm gonna use half a cup of applesauce instead. Okay, now I'll just stir that until the peanut butter melts in there really good. I've got it on medium. Sissy's making some passion tea over here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. I think the peanut butter is melted pretty good. We'll just bring this over here and we'll have that ready when it's time to add it in. So in here, we're gonna start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. A cup and a half of sugar. Then we need a teaspoon of baking soda. And a teaspoon of salt. Two eggs, half a cup of buttermilk, and a teaspoon of vanilla. We'll go ahead and pour in the peanut butter mixture. Once we get this mixed, I'm going to put the milk in first before we put the eggs. That way we don't put the eggs in here with this warm peanut butter part. The cold milk will cool it down. Oh my goodness, that's smelling good, y'all. Okay, so we need half a cup. And we need a teaspoon of vanilla. I'll go ahead and put that in. All right, now we just pour it into the cake pan. We'll just do a little spread. This does pretty good because it's so liquidy, so it spreads pretty good by itself. And it's ready to go in the oven, 40 to 45 minutes. Birthday celebration is taking us to Blue Ridge today.
We're celebrating this day.
This camera doesn't pick up the colors good, y'all, but we promise there's a lot of colorful leaves on these trees.
We're getting some color up here.
We don't have a good pull off, but look at that over there.
Look right here, y'all. You might be able to see it right through here. Look here.
Maybe.
Look right through here and see if you can see. It's up on the top. See those
We
red?
need to pull off.
Look at the red up there. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Look hard. Look at these up here. Here's a red one.
We stopped at the top to see the view because it's not foggy today. It's a little cloudy, but not foggy.
These boots are slick as glass. Should have worn my other ones.
I didn't wear my hiking shoes. See, there's nice little picnic tables up here. You can stop and have a picnic.
Yeah.
This is sunrise.
Just looking here.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're right over there. They also have a red label. They may be
Oh, look at that little coffee mug. That's cute. That's a little travel, seek, and find scavenger hunt
What's
card
this?
set. That's a magnetic 4 in a row game.
Don't look what
Yeah,
I
they have
wanna
some
get.
fun things in here.
What's this?
That's a Dino Bright. It's a little headlamp that you wear on your head. Oh, look at this shirt. That's soft. Feel how soft it is.
Here's a foraging tool.
Oh yeah, strips herbs, harvest berries, saw and slice. Yeah. Here's some more of the pictures that the guy that owns both of these sunrise stores, the one here and the one we took y'all to in Blairsville the other day. You can go in there and look at his pictures. Look at that one with the horses. That's really pretty.
Oh, can we go to the general store?
Yeah.
General stores always have fun stuff.
It's right up there, Manly. It's called Huck's General Store. You see it?
Yes.
Nope.
Oh, I see it.
Go up one more.
I know somebody would like to have this. Sweet onion relish.
Mama?
Yeah.
Mom, what's
That's a
this?
hiking stick. Oh look, here's an old time dinner bell, chuck wagon dinner bell. Wonder how much that is. $15.99. Y'all might could hear that down at the barn.
Look, they already got some
Christmas ornaments,
Christmas
yeah.
ornaments out.
Mom, are these gummies?
Nope, this is just a pickle in a pouch. It's a big old pickle. Freeze-dried dill pickles.
I don't know about that.
Walk like a chicken, a hide and seek activity game. We'll see if we can book the Christmas train this year. It's probably already fully booked though. It books up fast.
Oh,
The
we
sock
go there.
store, yeah.
Yeah. Here's Harvest on Main. We've taken y'all there before. It's really good. Yeah. We can smell it right now. I think that's what we're smelling.
Yep.
This is another tea place right here. Iced and hot tea to go. Blue Ridge Mountain Mall.
It's a Sasquatch.
Yeah, it is. This little section always has pretty stuff. Look at these lights.
Mama, look, a baby
Those are pretty.
scorpion.
Yeah, be careful.
Okay. You see how much it is. Sissy would love it in her room.
Would she? $24.99.
We'll print about it.
This is where we get all these little things most of the time. I think we've gotten some from other places, but
Yeah.
I like that little gingerbread man one. That's cute.
Got some pumpkin ones there.
We've got that pumpkin one. And we've got that. I think we've got a
This one's
bird
fall.
one. Yeah.
Mama, how much are these?
$10.
They're pretty cheap.
Donna's gonna get a Blue Ridge coin.
How much are these, Mama?
Those are $10.
Can I get one?
Everything he asks me is $10. He's gonna think this is the $10 store. I didn't know there was so many toys up here.
Tell us in the comments, has anybody out there ever used one of these? This kind is what I'm saying.
Oh, no, that's a bunk pan right
Oh,
there.
there's a pan.
$10. Man, this is the $10.
I think we should go. Yeah, let's. Come on, Mama.
I also have a biltong.
Okay.
Biltong is the old-fashioned way of doing meat,
Okay.
where you hang it up in a smokehouse
Yeah, and let it dry.
and let it air dry
Yeah.
instead of putting it in a dehydrator.
Okay.
Can I have one of these?
Yeah. So, and the big thing about it is 32 grams of protein. It is no sugar, no preservatives, only 5 ingredients. It is like your cleanest meat that you can put in your mouth. Bacon,
You want to try bacon one?
I have about 5 flavors of the bacon.
It's really good. Keep it real, folks. Keep it real.
How is it? Oh, it's really good. Does it smell like grapes? Yeah. They serve their fried green tomatoes with marinara sauce.
It's really good, too.
Yeah.
That's quite delicious.
We got a bald eagle spotted here in Georgia. Look at that.
We stopped by Betty's for candles.
Price.
They have the honey. Hey, their honey sticks are only 59 cents here. Wonder if they have coconut ones. Clover, cinnamon, vanilla, blackberry, and orange. Watermelon, peach. Nope, they don't have coconut.